There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world, without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my
May papakit pa po.
being, and the love that I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it'll be good. I'm into you.
Guys, alam niyo ba kung kailan niya ako huling kinantahan?
Kailan?
Nung nanliligaw pa siya.
Sige, isa na lang.
Ngayon lang ulit.